Come on, give me one. Give me a good one.
Why would you say something like that? I'm starting to love it. Failure to answer is a felony offense. Play cool. As far as he knows, we're still in the tunnel. I should review the casino. We're holding all the cards right now. We don't show entry before the pacifier. Yellow. Hi, guys. U.S. President calling. How's it going? Oh, hey. Just hard at work on this sex tunnel gagu. I think it's kind of our new arsenal.
I caught that one. I caught that one.
What do you think, 40 a month? Fingers crossed a month, yeah. You lying shit. I see you playing Minecraft. I got those satellites. That's right. What do you have to say for yourself? Okay, obviously this looks bad, Mr. President. What doesn't look bad? You're an illegal spy satellite. Don't hide, Rosie. The two of you break 1,000 federal laws a day. Oh, really? That's pretty cool. And yes. You save the world now and then. America returns that thing, but by that only the two of you are accountable to its laws. Oh, God, we didn't know you thought that way. Well, it's all right. It's small. We never had the good talk, so to speak. Yeah, the way we see it when we show up, that's the favor. Thank you. Especially, when it turns out you want someone to come over just because you got an X-Files monster in your basement. That's for the reason you never, arrested us. We assumed you just knew.
That one was kind of lame.
Like, if you tried.
Lightning bolt, that was kind of lame.
I think one of your 1,000 laws says, no, I can't elaborate. Just trust me. None of us want to go there. But we'll never have to. By the way, if you want to save the earth, we're happy to do that. Yeah, but not because it contains America. Because moving to a new version of Earth is a bitch and a half. But feel free to call us, as like friends. Yeah, like if you ever want to take a selfie. So, are we cool? Yeah. Thanks. I told you, man. I'm impressed, Morty. That went really well. Everybody get a hold of yourself.
What is our new Rick and Morty policy?
Our policy is we never needed them and never will again. Today we celebrate our independence from Rick and Morty. Everyone else.
Yeah! Got that one. Got that one on film. Got that one on camera.